Welcome to SDP Custom Order Status for WooCommerce, the easy way to manage your store's order workflow directly from WordPress. After activating the plugin, a helpful notification appears at the top of your dashboard, guiding you with a single click to create your first custom order status. This makes getting started fast and intuitive, even if it's your first time managing custom statuses. From this point, everything becomes simple. You can assign a unique color to each order status, select a clear icon, and set the label's text color to match your store's style. These visual cues make it easy for your team to recognize the status of each order at a glance. You can also make orders editable or mark them as completed, ensuring everyone knows which orders are finalized and which still require attention. The plugin integrates seamlessly with WooCommerce, enhancing your store without adding complexity. You can designate a status as the default after payment is completed, so orders automatically move to the correct stage, reducing manual work and minimizing mistakes. Notifications are included for both administrators and customers, keeping everyone informed. Each status change triggers a clear message, so your team and your clients know exactly when an order progresses. Even in the free version, you have control over who receives notifications and how they are displayed. Adding a new status is straightforward. Create a name, pick your colors, choose an icon, and set the characteristics you need. The interface is organized and user-friendly, so you can configure all settings in one place without writing a single line of code. Every option is designed to save time and streamline your workflow, allowing you to focus on managing your store and serving your customers. With SDP Custom Order Status for WooCommerce, store owners and teams gain clarity and control over their order management process. Orders are easier to track, errors are reduced, and the overall workflow becomes more efficient. Whether you run a small shop or handle multiple stores, this plugin simplifies tracking, communication, and order visibility. Activate the plugin, create your first custom status, and enjoy a more organized, transparent, and efficient WooCommerce order management system today. With clear visual cues, intuitive controls, and seamless notifications, managing your store's orders has never been easier.